Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. Today we are going to see name reaction from this Hofmann reaction. So today's topic is the Hofmann reaction. Hofmann rearrangement or Hofmann bromamide reaction. So this is the one of the name reaction. One of the name reaction. So this is one of the name reaction. So in this reaction, the conversion of unsubstituted amide to corresponding primary amine containing one carbon atom less. So product in this reaction, product contain one carbon atom less by the action of alkaline hypohalide, that is OX minus, is called Hofmann reaction. So such type of reaction is called Hofmann reaction. So here the starting is unsubstituted amide. Unsubstituted amine. Here reagent is alkaline hypohalide. Alkaline hypohalide and the product is primary amine. So product is primary amine contain one carbon atom less. So see the reaction. So see the reaction. Reaction is here starting material, that is unsubstituted amide, RC double bond O NH2, that is an amide, which on reaction with Br2, that is bromine, and NaOH, 4 times NaOH, in presence of heat. Here this is the unsubstituted amine, that is amide, when reacted with Br2 and NaOH, that is alkali, in presence of heat, we get the product, that is RNH2, that is primary amine. So this is the product and other are the side products, that is twice NaBr plus Na2 CO3 plus twice water molecule. So this is the Hofmann bromamide reaction, in which amide, that is unsubstituted amine, and here reagent is Br2 in presence of alkali. So in presence of heat we get the product primary amine, which contain one carbon atom less, So this is the sign of the reaction, and here one carbon atom less in the product. Here this is the starting material, and here Br2 and NaOH is the reagent. In presence of heat we get the product, that is primary amine. So such type of reaction is called as Hofmann bromamide reaction, or it is also called as Hofmann rearrangement. So this is the most important reaction for your exam. Next we see the mechanism of this reaction. So see the mechanism of the reaction. So reaction is here, mechanism is on the 4 step. So in first step there is a formation of hypobromite ion, that is OBr minus ion. So firstly this alkali, that is twice NaOH plus Br2, we get Na plus OBr minus plus NaBr plus water molecule. So this is the first step of mechanism. So in next step this OBr minus, that is hypobromite ion, OBr minus, that is hypobromite ion, react with our amide, that is amine. So amide reacted with RC double bond O NH2 plus OBr minus, we get RC double bond O NH Br plus OH minus. This is the OH minus, that is hydroxide, and this is N-bromoamide. So this is the N-bromoamide, and here on nitrogen there is a lone pair of electron. So this is the N-bromoamide. So this is the amide. When amide reacted with this hypobromite ion, we get N-bromoamide, and this is the second step here, formation of N-bromoamide. So this is the second step. So in next step, step number 3, here this N-bromoamide react with OH minus. In presence of OH minus, we get that RC double bond O N Br. Here Br is removed, and we get acyl nitrine. Here in step 4 there is migration of R group to electron deficient nitrogen. So here are 4 electrons, that is lone pair. So this acyl nitrine, on rearrangement here R group migrate to this electron deficient nitrogen, and this lone pair shifted here. So here we get double bond, and there is rearrangement, and we get the compound, that is isocyanate, that is RN double bond C double bond O. So this is the isocyanate. So again in step 5, this is the last step of the reaction. In this isocyanate there is addition of water, then we get this compound. So on nitrogen there is the lone pair. So this on this OH there is the lone pair which is shifted here, and we get RNH2, that is the product primary amine. So here CO2 is removed and we get the product primary amine. So this is the our product, that is primary amine. We starting from the unsubstituted amine, and when reacted with alkaline hypohalide, in presence of heat we get primary amine. So our product is primary amine. So this is our product. So this reaction, the mechanism is on 5 step. So in this reaction, last step is the application. Application of Hofmann-Bromamide reaction or Hofmann rearrangement. So this reaction is used for synthesis of amino acid. So for the synthesis of amino acids, this reaction is used, Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. So when this react with Br2KOH, we get this acid. We get this acid, that is anthranilic acid. Anthranilic acid. So when again CH2CONH2, CH2COOH in presence of Br2KOH, we get this product. So this reaction is used for the synthesis of amino acid. Next is the synthesis of hydrazine. Synthesis of hydrazine. NH2CONH2 in presence of Br2KOH, we get hydrazine as the product and K2CO3 and water is the side product. And for the synthesis of another application is synthesis of amino acid. Synthesis of primary amine. So these are the applications of the Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos on Firestone Chemistry. Thank you.